This tutorial introduces a new feature in SimLab Composer that allows you to copy an object along with its animation sequence. This feature makes it easy to duplicate a model and retain its animation, streamlining the process of managing multiple animated objects in your VR environment. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then import the model that you need to add animation to. Then, create the animation for your model and then create a sequence for it. Then, add a sequence attribute to your animated model and attach it to the sequence you created. Now, you can copy the model. Each copy will have its own new sequence and automatically update the sequence in the attribute, allowing each duplicated model to have its own independent animation. In this example, copy the doors and distribute them in the environment by placing them in different rooms. To test the process, open the training builder, then add a trigger event and attach it to the attribute you created. Then, in the search bar, type getNodeAttributeSequence and select it from the search results. Attach this node to the same attribute you created, then in the attribute name field, enter the name of the attribute you created. Then, from the Responses section, click on Play Animation Sequence. Connect the sequence input to the result output from the getNodeAttributeSequence. Now let's test it.